Have a blessed day, ma'am. I am Angela L. Kadasali from Section B. This is my video presentation and Chemistry Lesson 5. Number 1. Discuss and describe the four phases of matter. Provide example. The four phases of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Solid is a matter that has a defined shape and volume. The particle in a solid, atom, molecules, ion, are tightly packed, compared to liquid and gases. Example: brick, coin, and iron bar. Liquid, a substance that flows freely but is a constant volume, having a consistency like that of water or oil. Example: oil, blood, water, mercury, milk. What is the difference between physical chains and chemical chains? Provide 5 examples each. The difference between physical and chemical chains are physical chains is a chain to a sample of matter in which some properties of the material change, but the identity of the matter does not. Physical changes can further be classified as a reversible or irreversible. The milk ice cube may be refrozen, so melting is a reversible physical change, while chemical change. While chemical changes occur when a substance combines with another to form a new substance, called chemical scientists, or alternatively chemical decomposition into two or more different substances. These processes are called chemical reaction and in general are not reversible except by further chemical reaction. Example of physical chains are crushing a can and melting ice cube and boiling water, mixing sand and water, and the last, breaking a glass. An example of chemical chains are burning wood, souring milk, mixing acid and base, distilling food, and the last, cooking egg. Compare and contrast physical properties and chemical properties. Provide 5 examples each. Answer: the comparison of two or a physical properties is a characteristic of a substance that can be observed or measured without changing the identity of the substance. Physical properties include color, density, hardness, and melting and boiling points. A chemical properties describe the ability of substance to undergo a specific chemical change. Example of physical properties are color, smell, freezing point, boiling point, and melting point. Example of chemical properties are flammability, toxicity, acidity, reactivity, many type, and heat of combustion. How are instinctive and instinctive physical property observed and identity? Answer: the instinctive or physical properties is a physical quantity whose value does not depend on the amount of the substance or which is measured. For example, for the temperature of a system, and a thermal equilibrium is the same as the temperature of any part of it. And the system of physical properties such as mass and volume depend on the amount of matter being measured in synthetic properties such as density and color do not depend on the amount of the substance present. Physical properties can be measured without changing a substance's chemical identity.